Temperatures will be back up there, probably upper 90s on average, but a little cooler if you're near the coast. But look at the big numbers returning again. About 101 in McAllen tomorrow, 104 in Rio Grande City. Most of the valley at least around 95 or higher in the afternoon, except for right along the coast. But sunshine around, pretty much similar to today's weather, just probably getting more humid as the day goes on. So we'll start off in the mid 70s in the morning with sunshine. Already most areas near 90 by lunchtime, and then kind of in that upper 90 to low 100 range, basically hot. Later in the afternoon again. So across Texas, a lot more red showing up on the map, and that is hot weather. 100 in Del Rio. It's even 99 El Paso and 99 in Midland. So you see the hot stuff returning, and will probably be around most of the week ahead, although we may see a slight drop in temperatures by the weekend just because of an increase in clouds mainly. Across Texas, it is dry too. You know, September, we think of a wet month here, but we're kind of into a dry stretch of September weather with very little rainfall expected over the next 7 to even 10 days. Future track overnight shows mainly clear skies, but it will be getting a little more humid gradually throughout the night and tomorrow, so not quite as cool as the last several nights. Temperatures, as you saw before the break, kind of bottom out in about the mid 70s or lower 70s by morning. Sunshine on the map again tomorrow. Very few clouds, but just about as hot again with temperatures in around the 95 to 100 range most of the afternoon. Friday, we may see a few clouds in the morning, but I think overall Friday is still a very sunny and hot day again with temperatures well into the 90s or parts of the upper valley still near 100 in Starr County. Over the weekend, though, as we get towards Saturday, you may notice more clouds at times in the morning. I think we may start off with some patchy clouds Saturday morning, but still end up fairly sunny most of the day. But I think by the time we get to Sunday, it may cloud over a bit more in the morning and maybe not be as sunny. So with the extra clouds over the weekend, that may lower temperatures like 3 or 4 degrees, but there's not really any big blast of cooler weather coming anytime soon. So in the tropics, things sort of quiet compared to what they have been. We only have one storm going. Nothing's in the Gulf of Mexico. In fact, barely any clouds out there. But we look to the east. Hurricane Jose is out there, still kind of meandering around, moving southeast now at about 3 miles per hour, but expected to make the turn back, stay off the east coast, but it could be coming up a couple hundred miles offshore by early next week. So we'll show you that track coming up at 6. Farther out in the Atlantic, there's not much out there either. A couple of weak tropical waves, but nothing that's really ready to form anytime soon. So overall, the tropics for any land masses are looking pretty quiet the next several days. First 5-7 day forecast, still, this time of year, the average high is about 92 or so, and we'll be above that nearly everywhere. Highs around 99 tomorrow, but over 100 from about McAllen to the west in Starr County. Not much different on Friday, still hot, with more humidity continuing to roll in. And the weekend, as I mentioned, may start to cloud up a little bit more, especially in the morning hours. And you might get 1 or 2 sprinkles in the morning when the clouds are thick Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But highs stay in the 90s with some muggy nights ahead. So we'll keep tracking the hot summer days left in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at 5.